Can I have a word with you all, please?
What's the matter, Celia? You look worried.
I am. That was the council. They're sending a health inspector here to check the kitchen out.
Really? Well, there's nothing to worry about where I'm concerned. I think you'll find everything over here is spick and span.
It's your personal hygiene I'd be worried about, Gordon.
What time is this health inspector coming?
Don't know. It's a spot check. It could happen at any time. So, let's get to work. I want this place as clean as a whistle. Oh, there's a layer of grease on that bit. And on that bit. Oh.
There you go. Spotless. You could eat your dinner off of that.
Why would you eat your dinner off the cooker when we've got plates?
Look, Gordon, are you going to help us clean the rest of the kitchen?
Why? I didn't make that area dirty.
If we don't get a clean bill of health, the council could shut us down.
Ah, yes, and then I can work in a proper restaurant where the chefs cook and the cleaners clean.
A car's just pulled up. It could be the health inspector.
Well, we've done our best, Celia, under the circumstances.
Doesn't look too bad. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yes, well, no, I can explain.
Gordon, looks like you need to clean your act up.
Well said, Mary. Shall we start with a clean slate? Quickly.
Well, this is all very exciting. Everybody wants the sushi.
That's because tonight is our special sushi night, idiot. A chance for me to cook something really special for people with appreciation of real exotic food.
It's raw fish, isn't it, Gordon? No cooking required?
Sounds like a recipe for disaster. Oh well, at least you can't burn it.
You won't understand. The only fish you eat is deep fried with chips. Now, out the way.
Oh! Oh dear. Oh, let's just put them on the plate, shall we? No one will notice.
I'll help you.
It's ruined now. Why don't you go and do some waiting while I work out what to do next?
How's our sushi night coming on? Got everything under control, Gordon?
No, we are up the creek without a paddle. Peter has just made me drop my sushi, and I've got no more sushi rice. I can't make any more.
Oh dear. Is our sushi night on the brink of disaster?
I need more sushi rice. I'm going to have to go and get some. You wouldn't know what to get. Mary, why don't you entertain the customers by reading your philosophy thesis?
Hang on, Celia. Isn't this the rice Gordon was using?
I think so.
Leave it to me.
I've told him before if he does this again. What kind of Asian supermarket doesn't sell sushi rice? This whole evening is a disaster. Where did you get that?
Disaster averted. Mary made these and saved the day again. Peter,
Yes.
can you take these out to the customers and apologise for the delay?
Oh, that was a close shave.
Yes, well, it's good thing I always make a point of having some spare ingredients.
What a night.
Yes. Amazing. I've never done anything like that before.
Nor I. My first ever award ceremony.
I didn't sleep a wink when I got home. I was still buzzing from meeting all those celebrity chefs.
Didn't sleep a wink, did you say, Peter? I slept like a log. Celebrity chefs don't excite me. They may be famous, but can they cook?
Well, they certainly win a lot of awards.
And yes, the Poison Ivy won Restaurant of the Year. It's a shame we didn't win the awards, though.
Yes, well, I wouldn't lose too much sleep over it. What is an award anyway? But just a piece of metal that sits on the shelf gathering dust. A real award is a customer thanking me for an excellent meal.
Really? I thought you said getting an award would be the highlight of your career.
Peter, I think it's best we let sleeping dogs lie. When you know how sensitive he is.
Where's my sleeping partner?
I hope you didn't mean me. I'm the only boss here. Sorry I'm a bit late. Had a bit too much champagne last night, but at least I slept like a baby.
Lucky you. Peter and I may need a cat nap later.
You've got no stamina, honestly. You two left earlier than me.
Well, that's because you kept putting your arm around me.
Oh, did he indeed? Well, after that woman on the dance floor slapped you round the face and you left, the judges gave out another award.
Another award, really?
Yes, and guess what? We won it.
Oh, that's some recognition. My true talents are there in writing to be seen. Oh, come on, Peter, what does it say?
Gordon Grater, most arrogant chef. Oh, congratulations.
Oh, Gordon. Looks like you need some beauty sleep.
How are you today, Peter?
Very good, thank you. Actually, not very good. Thank you for asking.
Why, what's the matter?
Well, last night I was walking home when I crossed the road and I was almost hit by a burger van.
Oh, no, Peter, that's terrible. Are you okay?
Just a bit shaken. He was going so fast.
Why don't you come and sit down in the office until you feel a bit better?
Okay.
Sorry I'm late. I had some extracurricular activities. To be honest, I overslept. I've been working late doing another job.
You moonlighting, Gordon? Do you really need a second job?
This is not any old job, sweetheart. This is an opportunity to manage a high-class, American-themed restaurant. This is my future.
Are you sure?
God's honest truth.
Really? Look, I think you should tell Celia. Avoid any problems. Honesty is the best policy.
No, I don't think we should tell her. Let's keep it our little secret. Anyway, I don't want her thinking I'm working here out of sympathy.
Oh, no, of course not. Anyway, where is this high-class restaurant?
Well, you wouldn't know where it is.
Try me.
Well, it's currently parked, located on Canal Street, near the park.
And that was where I was almost hit by that burger van. Look, I've got a photo of the van on my phone.
Oh, that's strange. That van's parked outside our restaurant. Maybe I ought to call the police.
Well, let's not be too hasty. I'm sure there's a simple explanation.
Yes, I think there might be. Gordon, you may as well come clean. This high-class restaurant you're managing, it's a burger van, isn't it?
What's that, Gordon? Flipping burgers in your spare time? How would you like to flip burgers full-time instead of working here?
Let's not be too hasty. I'm just trying to make an honest living.
Oh, well, if you're a decent and honest man, why don't you compensate Peter for the stress that you've caused him?
Thank you.
Well, now that everything is open and above board, perhaps we could book a table at your restaurant tonight.
Listen, everyone. I've just heard on the radio the police are looking for a criminal who was last seen in this area. We need to keep an eye out for him.
Oh, no. You don't think he'll come here, do you?
Oh, yes, no doubt he'll have a 3-course meal while he waits for the police to catch him.
Not if he's eating your cooking, Gordon. Anyway, Celia, what does he look like?
Well, the police say that he's about Gordon's height. He's got a slightly reddish face and he's wearing a silly hat.
Oh, don't all look at me.
Oh, and he's got glasses and he also has a moustache.
Moustache. Sounds like a proper criminal. He no doubt slits the throats of his victims, killed his mother, and doesn't pay his taxes. When I see him, I'll make sure he gets his comeuppance.
You're all mouth and no trousers, Gordon. Anyway, everyone back to work. And remember, we need to keep an eye out for him.
Are you a bit nervous, Gordon?
No, I've had to deal with customers that are worse than criminals.
The man. I think he's out there. Table 3.
Okay, stay calm. Peter, go get Celia. Gordon, go and see if he's out there. Come on! Are you a man or a mouse?
He might have a knife or a gun. He could be dangerous.
Oh, come on! What are you made of? I thought you were my knight in shining armour.
I'll see if it's him.
Okay.
False alarm. It's not him.
Right, that's it. I'm going out there. How dare we have customers trying to look like dangerous criminals? I was that close to handing him over to the police.
Oh, don't bother. When did I say he was a dangerous criminal? The police are looking for a thief who was shoplifting.
I think it's safer if you stay in the kitchen, Gordon.
Is that wise? It's his cooking that's criminal.